there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have some CentOS 7 installed, and we started off by visiting the CentOS.org website that we could see the three main downloads, the Everything DVD, where we have everything that can be installed during the installation, plus additional packages that can't be installed by the installer. The DVD has everything that can be installed by the installer, and the minimal gets us up and running really quickly with our server. We installed from our physical media as we were setting up VirtualBox. We needed to configure networking, so through File and Preference, we could find the Networking tab, and from Networking we can go down to the NAT Network tab and add ourselves a new NAT network. We really wanted this because we want to use the NAT network to connect the virtual machines to the outside world, but we also want to provide a mechanism where our host can connect back in, and that's what the host-only network exists for. We need to add in the NAT network, but the host only already exists. Now, to be able to get our VirtualBox guest additions up and running, there's a whole lot of extra software that we need to install. We'll be looking at our software installation in a later course, but we can see it here using Yum, and we installed some of these individual packages. To install groups of software, we can use Yum group install, and here we're looking at the development tools. We then update everything to make sure that it's at the latest version. This is especially important to make sure that the kernel is going to match the headers and the devel. The kernel-devel that we just downloaded. Running and install, we're always going to get the latest version, and we want to make sure that we update the kernel to match those kernel-headers. We need to reboot to make sure we're using the latest kernel if we did, in fact, download a new kernel. Now, if we're running through the install without both our servers as text only, so on one of the servers we wanted to install the GUI, so we ran through and did a group install of the X window system and the made desktop. The made desktop was coming from the EPL release repository that we had added in previously. We can set the graphical environment to be our default, and we can also use this as our working environment without needing to reboot, using systemctl and isolate. In the next module, we're going to be looking at how we work at the command line, so really learning some of the shortcuts and the really great tools that we can use when we're working at our command line. So I'm going to look forward to welcome you back to the next module. See you soon.